Everybody, this is Robin. I'm here with Evil Client, and we are going to do a very fun and quick tutorial. So, okay, I have the nails painted with a just a clear with some. It's like Northern Lights, so just Northern Lights. Okay, now I'm gonna take my brush, and I'm just using white acrylic paint, and I'm gonna dot up, dot up, dot up, dot, 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 and lightly pull. Dot up, 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 link and pull. And then dot up, up, up. Anywhere that you see like a little, maybe a little tiny place, go ahead and just make a little line like that. Go to the next. I'm going to do some with the upside down, so it'll be dot, dot, dot. And in my head, I'm thinking tiny, 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 tiny. I don't want to do big ones. So you don't want to overdo it, but I'm just making a very light and airy design for pre-spring, like just a romantic design. Just, it's very simple, non-structured. When you're in a rush and you just want something beautiful between like hard clients, like if you have two really hard designs in a row, this one allows you to catch up, and it also allows you to like calm down for a minute after you've done so many designs, and it's kind of like therapeutic actually, especially after you've been very busy. And don't ever think for a second that less isn't more. Like sometimes less has to happen. Like it's just like too much. So Evil Client allowed me to do this, and I just wanted to say thank you on camera. Because this is lovely. And because my channel is so art focused that when we do something simple, it's almost like everybody here is like, what? But you guys know that simple is like really cool. So 3 and then pull, 3 pull, 3 pull. Then I'm going to top coat with a gel top coat, and I told in some videos, I don't know if I've edited them yet, but I'm going to start testing gel top coats. So if you make a gel top coat, send one to me. In the about section is my PO box, and I'm gonna just test a whole bunch together and get one that I like. And it's not going to be brand focused, it's going to be focused on what I like to use. So just with a few things, just so we can do more things together. I want to have your help, so we're all using the same products. Okay. Oh, and I'm using the wand. RobinMosesNailart.com. I created them for all my tutorials. If you copy this, say inspired by Robin Moses, so that I can see it and so that I can get my name to girls who want to learn. There. I have to say that in every video because some people are watching me for the first time. Hello, new people. All right. And that will be good enough for today. But look at this. This is with one top coat of gel, and I used this gel top coat, Koopa Gelfinity. They didn't give it to me. I bought it. So, well, actually, Juicy gave me that. I didn't buy it, but I bought it. Trust me on that one. Okay, let me finish. Okay, so if you are going to just use this like this, this would be perfect for weddings, for any kind of bridesmaid, any kind of springtime. I will put it in the springtime playlist, but I'm going to keep going, and I have pictures of before and after. So I just have a couple of bright neon colors on top. Let me zoom in. This is going to be like me continuing on, but I really would stop here normally and have a good, just a good, nice, light design. But if I put just a tiny bit of yellow, it brightens it and pops it all the white and makes it like glow. That just that little like that. It just makes the total difference. Now, if I add a little bit of pink, everywhere that they touch, it will turn orange. Everywhere that it's just pink will be pink, and everywhere that the yellow is by itself, it'll be yellow. See, and then you can just play around. If you don't like it, it comes off so easily because they're already finished. And then if you want to, you can just take some alcohol and take it off, and then you start at square one. So you can decorate these however you like. I'm gonna do yellow and maybe add some pink in the middles, but I will, let me see. Let's see, what do you want, evil client? Do you have any ideas? We're gonna color them.
I like pink.
Okay. So we'll just do pink ones. Hold on, let's do pink by itself.
You're gonna do just pink. Just
right.
one color, just do pink.
All right, let's see what that looks like. So I'm gonna go down, boom, boom. Okay, let me zoom in, Rob, in. Okay, perfect. Okay.
Actually, you could do a different color on each hand.
Okay.
Of neon colors.
Perfect. So I'll do pink.
Have kind of a neon rainbow going on. Except for it's just one finger. Each finger has one color.
Oh, so you want like pink and then orange and then
yellow and then purple and
oh, well, purple?
Purple, violet.
Oh, okay.
Whatever that color is that you use when you do
Absolutely.
neon.
Okay, so here's pink to start out. Okay, now we'll do an orange. So I'll mix pink and yellow together. And that's good because these neon colors are really, really sheer, so the white really pops behind them. But there we go. Good idea, evil client. Okay, so there's that one.
It's for the one that can't make up their mind.
Like me. That's me, everyone. When you can do everything, then you usually do too much. And I've learned too much, and I've sat here too long. And I get all discombobulated. So that I like the yellow. The yellow is awesome. Okay, let me put on some purple. Because now I see completely what we need. Is that purple? Yes. Uh-oh. She's a hair got on me. Okay. And what do you want for the third color? Blue. Neon. Blue. What? Okay, so. What? Look at that. It's so darling. Well, this is about the cutest thing I've seen all week. And I've seen some cute stuff this week. Boom. Okay.
Cute and easy.
Yep. So what would I...
Easy for me, but easy for her.
Easy, yes. Easy for me. Easy for you guys too. And if you do, okay, just, I have a top coat over this, so I really can make as many mistakes as I want to, and I just top coat it again. If it's gel, you know what I mean? Like, you're good. If it's regular polish, be more selective before you pick a color, okay? Then purple. I'm using all the neon colors by Folk Art. $1.69 a piece at Walmart. Oh, they might be a little bit more now, the neon colors, but you can usually get them on eBay or Amazon for really cheap for all the colors. Okay, now let me zoom out, and then you can turn, let me see that other one, the white into rainbows.
Rainbow.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That is too cute. And I have no light. There we go. So cute. I'll take a picture of that and we are done. Let me see. There we go. Yeah. That's cool. You know what? What else would be cool would be a lot of nude colors, like that dusty rose, like these colors, the dusty nudes on the not shoot. Let me find a color. What am I looking for, Rob? Right here, like one of these kind of colors. That would be really cool too, using that as the color of the flower. Just a thought, because it would turn all the nudes in the background forward, and that would look so pretty, you guys. Anyways, I'm talking too much. This video will be extra long because I'm not going to edit it. I'll see you back with more. Bye.
Bye.
I am so sorry, but I have to show this. So let's get this right. I'm going to turn this down. Turn this down. Hopefully, it's so bright. Why is it so? Oh, the heater. Oh. Oh. My stomach. Okay, here we go. Let me see. Ah! Hi, everybody in the dark. Is that working? Let me turn it up. Wow. Let me turn this down. Oh, perfect.
Away from me.
I know. I'm so sorry. I got to work in the dark, but it's really high gloss. There. Okay, so I'm really working with this really pretty light neon orange here, and I'm just dotting right here where they touch. And let me do a more neon orange on this one. But it really does finish this design. So I wanted to make sure that I got that on film because it's important. Get that in there, yeah. Oh, I love it. Okay, so back in, dot, 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 dot. This is gonna be such a long tutorial for an easy thing, but we're having fun. And this one has yellow, and I think that's what I wanted to show you. Top coat. Okay, evil client, I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
Look.
You can see. Whoa.
What the? Who the? Can you see them?
Yeah.
I can see some of them.
They're like
some of them are
glowing.
Oh, they're gorgeous. You're gonna look great at a nightclub. Oops. Hi.
Okay.
Come on, Rob.
Now
Okay.
I can't see
You're gonna look great at a nightclub.
Yeah, well,
Oh
you'd have to go to a nightclub.
Okay, so we're in the middle of a dang thunderstorm and a snow blizzard, and I am sitting in the dark with evil client with a UV light
In my face.
Boom, 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 boom. That is awesome. Okay, just kidding. Here we go. Hold on, let me finish this. Okay, so here is the end result for all of the colors, and they are so pretty. I can't stop taking pictures of them, and I'm gonna have to throw all those pictures away. But here it is up close, and you can see into them. Very, very clean, sheer, amazing. These are all her nails with the light acrylic over the top of it. The design is done all with regular polish, top coated with gel, and I use the one I said. And if you guys try this, please hashtag me, inspired by Robin Moses. Get brushes and support my channel, and it makes it easier for you to learn with me because we're using the same tool as well. So anyways, I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you back with more. I really love these, and I'll put the white up against the rainbow, but to me there's no competition after we finish. They're just lovely. Anyways, everybody have a great day. Bye.
Bye.